everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with the Oh So Inspired collab for June 2024. And we are sharing our inspiration on what Sherry Gilson created. I'm going to insert the picture here so you can see her project. And down in the description bar below, you can see where her project is, and she is Sherry Gilson on Instagram, so we'll also provide a link to where you can find her on Instagram. Also below, you'll see a playlist, and it's going to be a playlist of all of the collabers that have joined this collab this month, and you can just click on the playlist and see everybody's video one after the other so that you can check out how everyone got inspired by Sherry. So let me show you what I used to create the project. First of all, I used this Spellbinders cutting die. I got this one, who knows when I got it, recently, like within the last 6 months. And I just liked it for the design with the tulips and the paintbrush style. I'm also using this Simon Hurley die from Spellbinders. I think that I got this as a free gift from scrapbook.com. They're always doing free gifts and specials and things like that. So I think this came as a free gift, and I used that and the sentiment as well. And to create a bit of a focal point, I used this simple oval stencil, and I used some oxide ink and created an oval focal point on my base, and then also added some eyelet outlet enamel dots to just jazz it up a little bit. Let me show you my project. So here's my inspiration. Here's how I created like a focal point, just with some oxide inks and a foam brush, and with the die. I have a whole bunch of floral dies in my stash, but I wanted to use this one because I really like it. It's really unique. And you know, Sherry's project was really about using colors and a different kind of color palette, you know, a simple design but with like a striking color palette. And you know, I took other inspiration from it in just creating a bouquet with some flower dies in a different direction. I went with more of a muted color palette. I tried, you know, some bright, there's a little bit of a bright purple in there in the tulips, but I wanted to keep it a little less striking and a little bit more my style. And yeah, I'm not brave enough to go with strong colors. I like color a lot, but yeah, hers was a different kind of style. Very beautiful, very unique, but I wanted to go with this kind of style. So let me know what you think. Definitely click thumbs up. I like the way that it came out. It was simple, quick to do, a little finagly with all the small little pieces to cut and dye together. But the result in the end is very nice. Here's the Spellbinders version, and here's my version. And so I hope you like this inspiration and the direction that I took it in, with basically just using cutting dies. Please click thumbs up if you do. It helps my ranking in the videos. Definitely leave a comment below because I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to definitely check out the playlist. You can put your playlist on play automatically and let it run through so you get to see everybody's videos. I really appreciate you for stopping by, everybody. Keep cool out there, y'all. And thanks for stopping by. Bye.